In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a TikTok account without email or phone number. So first, what you want to do is you want to open your browser and type in TikTok support. In this video, you want to click on share your feedback. Enter your email address, enter your username, topic, and say how we can help. Then just basically say, hey, I forgot my email, can you please help me recover it? Or I forgot my phone number, can you help me recover it? I was hacked, so I need your help getting my stuff back, and etc. Just say something that's relevant to your case, keep it short and simple, and I'm sure they will help you out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.